Have you ever imagined owning a luxury condo na 2-bedroom unit here in the heart of Uptown BGC, surrounded by the city's best establishment and infrastructure? Hi everyone, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. In today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay Uptown Arts Residence na ready for occupancy, and we're gonna talk about its building features, nearby establishment, infrastructure, amenities, unit details, at payment terms. So make sure that you stay until the end. Uptown Arts Residence is designed for people who appreciate both style and comfort. This is 45-story building with only 12 units per floor, giving you more privacy and exclusivity. Equipped with smart home features and secured with keycard access for both units and elevators. Every detail is made to feel premium and hotel-like. One of the best things about living here is how close you are to everything. You're just minutes away from Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Mitsukoshi Mall, Landers, and SNR. St. Luke's Medical Center BGC is nearby, as well as luxury hotels like Grand Hyatt and Shangri-La BGC. Everything you need for dining, shopping, and lifestyle is right outside your door. The location is also future-ready. Uptown Arts Residence is literally walking distance to the Metro Manila Subway, Nakalayaan Station, giving you easier access across the city. You're also connected to Makati CBD, Ortigas CBD, and even NAIA, both domestic and international airports. That means stronger property value and better long-term investment potential. Living here feels like staying in a hotel every day. You'll enjoy hotel-type amenities designed for relaxation, wellness, and entertainment. Perfect for unwinding after work or spending quality time with family and friends. So this is how 2-bedroom looks like, and this is your entrance, and ang maganda, you have a digital lock set, so you can access it via keycard and fingerprint and code. So super secure talaga. And then on your right side, you have your kitchen na open layout. So sobrang ganda ng design, and ang maganda, you have a quartz na countertop. And then meron kang faucet and sink included. So this is by Frank. And then mga overhead cabinets. And then sa baba is drawers. And then on this side, you have your burner cooktop and then range hood. So you have 4-burner cooktop for a 2-bedroom and then built-in oven. Plus, meron din tayong refrigerator na kasama. And then on this side is maid's room. So from your kitchen, this side is the living and dining area. So sobrang luwag, and meron din tayong kasama na split type aircon. And ang maganda sa living is meron tayong floor to ceiling glass and access to the balcony. And now, check natin yung bedroom number 1. This is how it looks like for the bedroom number 1. So floor to ceiling glass, tapos maganda yung pasok ng araw. And then meron tayong kasamang modular closet. So this is already included. Plus another split type aircon for the bedroom number 1. Okay, now let's check the common toilet and bath. It's already furnished, so kasama na lahat. Faucet and sink, the mirror, partial glass shower enclosure, and shower heads. And now this is my favorite part, the master's bedroom. So, sobrang ganda ng floor to ceiling glass. And then kitang-kita nyo yung Uptown Bonifacio. And then meron tayong kasamang modular closet. So this is already included then. And another split type aircon for the master's bedroom. Now let's check the toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. This is how it looks like. So kasama na lahat. Payment terms is very flexible and the total contract price is... So this is 3 years to pay at 0% interest, and this is rent-to-own promo, and ang maganda, this is no down payment option, and if you want to move in early, we only require 10% down payment. We have available units from studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom units. So that's it for this video. Kung nagustuhan nyo, hit like and subscribe, and if you have questions and suggestions, just comment down below. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from Mega World, and see you on the next one.